Is social media important for your business? It works, right? So we don't have to justify it as much anymore. So now it's a matter of how do we do it? How do we make it effective for us? And the best way to do that is setting a North Star, so to speak. It's a little cheesy, a little corny, but I always want to set like a North Star or a goal for ourselves. Every single time I get started with a client, with someone I'm doing consulting work with, and the goal of social media marketing at the core, it's not to get listings, it's not to generate new business. Our main goal for social media marketing has to be to develop a qualified audience of potential consumers and fans. And I know sometimes people might say, well, I need listings now, but that will come. I promise you all of those other good things will come if we really focus on that. So if you write down one thing, it would be this right here. That has to be our goal, whether we're posting, whether we're creating a video, whether we're running an ad. If we keep that in mind, everything else will come as a byproduct for us. The reason is because social media marketing is all about trading value for attention and time. So the reason why I follow anyone on social media, unless it's a total favor, is because they're providing me some kind of value.